So this is the next part of my previous video on YouTube wherein we announced the online training module like type 1 or type A, type B. Most of you have showed inclination towards online webinars and training sessions rather than live because of the time constraint. So apologies for that, we could not start it for 2 months because it really needs a lot of preparation which we did not estimate properly, but we took certain time to do the videos and the editing and all, and now we are in front of you once again. Now we are introducing online training webinar course wherein everything is now set. Now you all know that what we do in our training is we make your why clear. So those who wish to understand more about the course content, they can visit the previous video. Here I am just going to show you how this course will be. So there is no direct one-to-one teaching option now we have kept. It's only the recorded webinar sessions which you can listen at per your convenience. So let's start. Online training courses will be on various topics now. We are initiating this with advanced pipe stress analysis, but slowly we will be introducing the pipeline stress analysis. Right now it's piping stress analysis. Then something critical topics like jacketed piping and FRP pipe stress analysis, or something like subsea and all. So our website is www.proton.co.in/training and once again slash. So I'll be sending you email as well, and those who are finding difficulties getting here, they can contact us on hr@proton.co.in. Few key points. The course is 100% online. So even though there is some kind of question and answer, those also will be online. These are all recorded videos. Make sure that you have enough patience, because this is the one key which you should have. Nowadays nobody is patient enough to listen a YouTube video of more than 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. And now we are talking here of the video lectures which are ranging from 30 minutes to 2 hours, and definitely they have been split into parts so that you need not sit at one place more than say 25-30 minutes, but you must have patience to listen them. Also, even though it's online and everything is digital, we encourage you to sit with or be ready with pen and notebook, as lot of board teaching is being done. That is what I like to teach. You need to take pause. If you haven't understood anything, you have to listen it again, make the concept clear, and that is the advantage of online webinars or trainings. Now here, to make your life easy, we are allowing you to listen each and every video 3 number of times. Okay, in live training, whenever I talk, in some cases you have some doubts, I may explain it one more time or twice, but not each and everything. But here in videos you can almost listen each and everything twice or thrice, and I recommend you to use these videos for yourself to listen twice or thrice, so that all the concepts, when you listen second time, they are more clear, like that. Then each module right now is being released at alternate days, like first module, suppose 1st of July, just example, then the second will be on 3rd of July, then the 5th, then the 7th, so that we are encouraging that you must read and understand and digest each and everything. So thus at present we have got 20 modules, so we are expecting 40-45 days we will be keep on releasing them for you, and the course subscription will be 60 days. And the common question which is being asked to me, are we going to give you the Caesar software? Then answer is very honestly no, we cannot. If we give it to you directly, then the cost will be enormously high, because all these softwares are very costly. But the course is designed so that each and every one of you can learn Caesar analysis using a demo version of Caesar, which has got all the features except the size of the pipe and number of nodes. So that demo version is available freely on Hexagon website. so you can download it and do the entire course. And we have been doing this course even for live teaching with the demo version itself. So rest assured that demo, then I will not be able to learn, no, nothing like it, because we are teaching you stress analysis using Caesar 2 as a tool. Okay, so there is no problem. Now we will be giving you few assignments which will be specifically made for demo version, so that you understand it. Those who have got full version, they can contact us. We can give them a little bit bigger assignments. At the end, there will be few complementary modules of the solutions of the assignment, which we will be launching at the end of the course, and that is addition to this 20 modules, and there won't be any additional fees for that. After the course, definitely you will be having some doubts in your mind, and each one of you will be allowed to have a live interaction with me for 2 number of times. So there will be webinar, say once in a month, and 2 webinars you can attend and you can ask the questions live. At the end of each module, there will be a objective type question paper as applicable. Means some of the modules may not be having it. Okay, certificate will be generated automatically at the end, and we are even starting a technical forum wherein you can ask some question to us, and somebody who knows the answer, if me or any other stress engineer, they can answer to your question. Now here I just want to go back. Even though we are not giving you any software, the course is covering the software, how the software is to be dealt with. So the demo version, how to use it, all the commands of Caesar, how to use it, everything is being covered. Okay, so it's not like only theory is being taught, it's theory plus practical and plus analysis of the results. There are few additional terms and conditions, like whether you can transfer the course or not, can you terminate, or all those stuff. So for that you have to visit the website for the detailed terms and conditions. We will be emailing you all those things. You must register or sign up on the website first, and then only you can go into subscription mode. At present we have got only e-learning module active, but very soon we will be having some live webinar kind of teaching as well, or live practice sessions as well. Here in the fees we have included the service tax which we need to pay in India, but it's not on you, we are bearing the cost of it. So 100% payment is in advance, so there is no like 50% today and later, because we have already put our 1 or 2 videos on the YouTube, so you can have a look at it. You will come to know what we are teaching, and there are a few testimonials which you can refer to have a guarantee about the course. There is a 7-day refund policy despite of the fact that the fees is 100% advance, but the condition is you should not access the videos. Okay, and we will come to know if you have accessed it. That is the way the website has been designed. Now very important, it's the intellectual property of our company and myself as well, so you can't by any means download, copy, or for whatever kind of means you can copy it, so you should not do it. I don't encourage that. And definitely the course is non-transferable, so that once you take the admission, it cannot be transferable to somebody else. But there are few escape route for that which we have given on the detailed conditions, so please have a look at it. Now the next question definitely will be, what is the fee structure about it, right? So before going into that, let's understand one thing very easily. You have to consider it as an investment for rest of your career. For example, if you're a fresh graduate, you have got 20 years of career, 40 years of career ahead. If you are say 10 years experience, you have 30 years left. If you are 20 years, 20 years left. Okay, so a single good interview after having a good knowledge definitely changes the career, because at the end of each interview the rating has been given as say B, A plus and all. So if you are really A plus in the interview, definitely the companies do not negotiate much in salaries. Now if you want to stand apart from the crowd, then yes, you have to invest a bit. and my own experiences, investment in any kind of training always pays you back. And here the dream is that I want to become an independent engineer, right? So just a guess you may have in your mind about the fees, and now we are going into actual fees. Now our normal lectures in 2020, what we take in classroom till last 2-3 months back, the fees was 35,000 plus taxes, that is 41,300 Indian rupees, which comes out to be $550 US. Definitely it changes based on the depreciations and all other aspects. But now we are giving you a big discount for only this lockdown period. So the discount is off, not 10%, not even 20%, not 30%. It's a discount of 50%. Okay, so for this entire week till 30th June 2020, the number of students enrolling into this course by paying the full fees, they will be getting a discount of 50%. So it's 20,650 Indian rupees, or approximately USD 275. Okay, and after 30th of June, definitely the discount won't be 50%. So now I'm going to take you to the website, how it has been designed. Let's have a tour to the website. So we start with, we write in this browser the website name as www.proton.co.in/training and one more slash. The same name I have given in the link as well, so you can refer that. Now enter. We land onto the front page of the website. It may take a few seconds to get here because the website is under construction a bit, and we are working on improving the speed of the website. But we land on this page, and now from here we will proceed. So like a normal website, this website also has got tabs like home, about us, then subscribe, blogs. We are also thinking of having a forum wherein you can put your questions. We are also thinking of having blogs wherein at present I am writing the blogs, but we will be encouraging the blogs from the stress engineers from the other companies as well. Then here your own account, your own login, and here our contact detail. So I'm not going to go through each and everything. I'm just going to tell you how to get till the course. If we scroll down a bit, we have why we should get trained. You can read this later. If you further go down, then it's a advanced pipe stress analysis course. At present we have only one course. Slowly we will be adding the courses. Now if you go a little bit further up, now this is the syllabus. Okay, so these modules, at present we have designed this course with 20 modules, which covers all the subjects of the topics which I placed on my YouTube video. So if you just click here, it's a drop down menu wherein about that particular module we have written in detail that what we are exactly going to learn here. For example, in the first lecture we will be learning into like a modulus of elasticity, displacement field, stress field, strength field, the type of stresses, moment of inertia, etc. And definitely who should take this course. So based on each and every module, the syllabus is given in elaborative way. You can just go through that, and this is the total syllabus: flange leakage, stress intensification factors, pipe rack loading. Now this is the one which new we have added, pipe rack loading and platform loading, which was not there in the list of syllabus which we mentioned on the YouTube. Now once you are satisfied with this, we need to go for a subscription. So you can either click here, or there is a the radio button here, subscribe. So I click on that. We land on this page, and here we go. Now as we told you that this course is having a special offer, discount offer, which will be valid for only 7 days. After that the course fees will get changed. So we say take this course. So when you say that, it asks you, have you signed up with our website or not? So you have to become a member first by clicking sign up. We land on the page called register. The same page you can even go by just clicking register here, and here you need to fill your details. Now I'm going to put some details of mine itself, some dummy details. You get a message, activate your account. It means you need to go to your email address which you have put in and activate the account. So in your email box you will find a email from us, Training Proton Synergy, and you need to click on the link given here to activate. So sometimes you can click on the link, you will land on this page, or else you may have to copy and paste in this browser and enter, you will land on this page. Now just click on activate. Now you can see on the right hand side your login name has come. Now this icon subscribe, you can click on this and you will land on the same page of the course. Now you can say take this course, and now you can see here that the fees has come. Proceed to checkout. On checkout as well you need to put this information of your billing, wherein the invoice can be sent, like your name, last name. And at present we have PayPal and InstaMojo through which you can pay. There are credit cards accepted here. Then you need to place the order, put your bank details, and once we receive the payment, automatically your course gets started. Now once the payment is done, now you can see here the icon has changed to continue course. So I'll click on the course, and then you will be finding the videos here, one after another. At present you can see here. So it may take little time because the videos are HD quality and they are heavy a bit, so you are suggested to have a good internet speed and definitely use headphones. And here you go, just click on the lecture and the lecture starts.
Hello friends, let's start with our stress analysis course.
So I hope this much is sufficient to understand and you are intelligent enough to browse the website. If you have any problem browsing the website, please do not hesitate to contact us on the email address I have given. Thank you very much.